Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Today I am going to show you how to make these simple yet elegant hangings. So let's get started. These are the only materials you need to make them. Firstly, take a pin and cut its end. Now twist the end with the plier. Take few stone balls and add to it. I'm adding 4 stone balls over here. After you're done with it, twist the other end as well. This is how it looks. Now slightly bend it this way to make it look curved. After you're done, add the pins at each of the ends. Then bend the ends using the pliers. Lastly, add a hook to it and lock the ends together. That's it. You're done. It hardly took any time, as I said, but look at them. They look so pretty and beautiful. You can easily make them and it goes perfect with your traditional wear. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of DIY videos. And that's it for today. Happy crafting!